This is a SATS-focused post. One of the best and the most important gifts you can give yourself is learning the art of detachment. Detachment from what though? From the outcome. And it is not equivalent to letting go as it is used in the broader sense today. I am not asking you to stop doing your SATs. No, hell no. I am asking you to detach yourself from the fruit of it. Suppose you want a job. A high-paying, high-profile job. So you do a scene where you are getting congratulated by your family, friends, relatives on landing the said job. The outcome here is getting the job in 3D, isn't it? Well, that's what I want you to detach yourself from. Simply tell yourself this: what I am imagining in my scene is the only reality that matters. I don't care if it comes into the 3D or not, because in the real sense I am already experiencing it every single day. When you make it a habit of doing this, abandoning yourself to the mercy of your imagination, it becomes easier for you to navigate your day-to-day life, because you are no longer anxious for the 3D to catch up to your assumptions. Such bliss. You know, in your heart, that your imagination is the only reality, and little by little, as you practice this, you will inadvertently find yourself into the state of having it, without doing the whole letting it go, dropping it thing. Detach yourself from the outcome by only putting importance to the scene that you repeat as you fall asleep, and I am telling you that your subconscious will thank you for it. Your imagination is the one and only reality, and when you no longer care about the 3D to reflect your desire, and just live happily in your imaginal scene, night after night as you go to sleep, you will find your dreams realizing quicker and far more effortlessly. Why? Because the anxiety and the negativity that otherwise halts your progress simply won't be present in your mind with such an approach. So put so much importance to your scene that it stops mattering to you whether the outer world is catching up with it or not. Love your desired state so completely that nothing else even compares to it. By doing that, your attention will shift so intensely to the feeling of the wish fulfilled that the manifestation will have to occur, and that too faster than usual. So, I hope it helped you in some way. Subscribe if you like this video. Happy manifesting.